Water. It's the foundation of life. But did you know that even the most basic thing we do, drinking water, is often done wrong? Some of the world's most renowned doctors, like Dr. Andrew Weil, Dr. Michael Greger, and Dr. Deepak Chopra, have all emphasized the transformative power of drinking water correctly. Yet 99% of people are still making critical mistakes that could be impacting their energy, digestion, and overall health. Doctors and nutritionists universally agree, water is crucial for every single cell in your body. It helps transport nutrients, flush toxins, regulate temperature, and support brain function. Dr. Michael Greger, a leading expert in public health, even says, hydration is essential for maximizing your body's performance and longevity. But here's the twist. It's not just how much water you drink, it's how you drink it that matters. According to Dr. Andrew Weil, the way we hydrate can significantly affect how well our bodies absorb nutrients and process waste. Drinking water the wrong way could be silently sabotaging your health. Here's the good news. With just a few simple adjustments, you can dramatically improve your hydration habits and start seeing results in as little as 7 days. And these aren't just random tips. These are insights inspired by some of the most respected medical professionals in the world. For instance, did you know that drinking ice-cold water during meals could actually slow down your digestion? Or that sipping water instead of gulping can help your kidneys work more efficiently? These small changes can have a huge impact, and we'll dive into them step by step. In this video, I'm going to share 8 secrets inspired by top doctors and health experts to help you drink water the right way. These tips are practical, easy to implement, and could transform your health in just a week. Before continuing, we invite you to support our work. Leave a like on this video and subscribe to the Be Mindful channel if you haven't already done. So, if you're ready to optimize your health with the world's simplest resource, let's dive into the first secret and start your journey to better hydration and well-being. Secret 1. Don't gulp. Sip slowly. Dr. Andrew Weil explains, when you gulp water quickly, it doesn't give your body enough time to absorb it. Instead, it can overload your kidneys and lead to frequent urination, which means you're not actually hydrating properly. Dr. Michael Greger emphasizes that sipping water slowly allows it to be absorbed more efficiently at a cellular level. Encourage the audience to practice mindful hydration by keeping a bottle nearby and taking small sips throughout the day. Mention a research-backed benefit. Slow hydration has been linked to improved digestion and better nutrient absorption. Secret 2. Avoid ice-cold water. Dr. Deepak Chopra highlights the Ayurvedic perspective. Ice-cold water can disrupt the digestive fire, or Agni, leading to slower metabolism and indigestion. Modern research, supported by Dr. Josh Axe, agrees that cold water constricts blood vessels, making digestion less efficient. Recommend drinking room temperature or lukewarm water, especially before and after meals. Start your day with a glass of warm water and lemon, as suggested by many health experts, to stimulate digestion and detoxification. Secret 3. Drink before you're thirsty. Dr. Michael Greger explains, thirst is a delayed response. By the time you feel thirsty, your body is already in a state of mild dehydration, which can impair cognitive function and energy levels. Dr. Barbara Rolls, an expert on hydration, emphasizes the importance of proactive hydration throughout the day to maintain optimal performance. Suggest setting reminders to drink water every 1-2 hours to prevent dehydration, especially during busy or active days. Reinforce the benefits. Proactive hydration improves mental clarity, physical stamina, and overall mood. Secret 4. Avoid drinking too much during meals. Dr. Robin Chutkan, a gastroenterologist, advises, drinking large amounts of water during meals dilutes stomach acid, making it harder for your body to break down food and absorb nutrients. Dr. Andrew Weil agrees, it's best to drink water 30 minutes before or after meals to support digestion rather than hinder it. Share a strategy. Drink a glass of water before a meal to prime your digestive system and curb overeating. If you must drink during meals, take small sips rather than large gulps. Secret 5. Use the right container. Dr. Shanna Swan warns about the dangers of plastics. Plastic bottles, especially those containing BPA or phthalates, can leach harmful chemicals into your water, potentially disrupting hormones. Dr. Mark Hyman recommends using stainless steel or glass bottles to avoid exposure to toxins and microplastics. Encourage viewers to switch to a reusable stainless steel or glass water bottle. Look for BPA-free labels and avoid leaving plastic bottles in hot environments, as heat increases chemical leaching. Secret 6. Stay hydrated throughout the day, not just in the morning. Dr. Rangan Chatterjee explains, hydration isn't something you can catch up on. Drinking all your water in one go, like in the morning, can stress your kidneys and leave you dehydrated later in the day. Dr. Michael Greger adds, steady hydration supports your body's natural rhythms and ensures consistent energy levels. Advise viewers to spread their hydration goals across the day. For example, aim for 2-3 glasses of water in the morning, afternoon, and evening. Reinforce consistency. Staying evenly hydrated reduces fatigue and keeps your metabolism running smoothly. Secret 7. Monitor your water quality. Dr. Sanjay Gupta stresses, the quality of the water you drink is just as important as the quantity. Contaminants like lead, chlorine, and microplastics can undermine your health over time. Dr. Mark Hyman recommends investing in high-quality water filters to remove harmful substances from tap water. Suggest testing home water quality with affordable kits and selecting filters based on the results. When traveling, carry a reusable filtered water bottle to ensure safe hydration. Secret 8. Balance electrolytes. Dr. James DiNicolantonio, author of The Salt Fix, explains, drinking too much plain water without replenishing electrolytes can lead to an imbalance, causing fatigue, headaches, or even more serious issues. Dr. Josh Axe highlights the importance of natural sources like coconut water or adding a pinch of sea salt to your water. Recommend electrolyte-rich alternatives, such as coconut water, or making your own electrolyte solution with water, lemon, and a pinch of Himalayan salt. After exercise or sweating, prioritize electrolyte replacement to stay balanced. Today, we uncovered 8 essential secrets to optimizing your water drinking habits, all inspired by insights from some of the world's most respected doctors. Let's recap quickly. Sip your water slowly. Avoid ice-cold water. Drink before you're thirsty. Limit water intake during meals. Use safe containers. Stay consistently hydrated. Monitor your water quality. And balance your electrolytes. Doctors like Dr. Andrew Weil, Dr. Michael Greger, and Dr. Deepak Chopra have shown us that small adjustments in how we drink water can have a profound impact on digestion, energy, and even cognitive health. These tips are simple yet powerful, and they're grounded in both science and time-tested wisdom. Start with one tip today, whether it's sipping water slowly or switching to a reusable bottle. As Dr. Mark Hyman reminds us, consistent, intentional changes are what lead to lasting health benefits. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these doctor-inspired secrets are you most excited to try? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your journey toward better hydration. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone who could benefit from these tips. You might just help them unlock better health in 7 days. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll continue bringing you actionable advice straight from the experts to help you live your healthiest life. Thank you for joining me on this journey to better health. Until next time, stay hydrated, stay healthy, and take care.